We've been quite productive today, kind of done the exact opposite as what I was expecting to do. So rather than tackling the back end, we've actually gone onto the front end to get all this wrapped up. So we've got the engine and gearbox stripped out now, so that can have some work done on it while that's out. And now that's out, we've got the subframe completely dropped. We'll get all the rest of the subframe completely welded up, and that'll be shot blasted, and again that'll be clear coated. We've got the suspension parts prepped for clear coating. So yeah, get quite a chunk done there. And I'm glad we have pulled the subframe out when we did, because it looks like it's been attacked by some sort of jackal or coyote in the past, or some trainee with their first go at welding. So we've got a lot of work to repair that subframe to make it, you know, kind of structurally safe. So I'll show you that in a momento. So here is the subframe in question. I've made some plates and I've actually jigged it up. So I've jigged the engine. Let's see if I can get around there. So I've jigged the engine mounts up, and I've jigged the body mounts up, so where that bolts through to the chassis. So that's just to keep it all in position while it gets welded, because it's only been tacked in place at the moment, so we don't want to risk it shifting or distorting out of position. And also as well as to keep it strong while I cut out the whole front end of the subframe, because it's some super janky hillbilly welding repairs carried out on it. So yeah, now I've got this jigged up, I'll get this shot blasted, get it welded properly. I'm going to dress it up a bit as well, it's quite manky looking. Probably put some speed holes in there, because you know, never go wrong with speed holes / drain holes. Yeah, and then we'll pretty brush it up and get it clear coated the same as the rest of our other front suspension parts. So yeah, then it can go back in for good. Fucking cunt. Fucking damn straight. Rob's just getting all set up to satin clear all of our Husky suspension bits. Yeah, that's right, we're keeping them all bare fresh metal. And just getting on with an industrial direct metal satin clear coat. So yeah, all that is being cleared. So that's all the suspension parts we've done. Oh, that's my head. And we've got the engine mounts here as well. We've got a few other bits we're going to be doing like this as well, but they're just not quite ready yet. Need a bit more prep work. Yeah, so hopefully. Hell are you doing in here, dog? You right there, Tobes?